In this video, I'll demonstrate how you can earn money online by seeing advertisements. Yes, it is feasible to make money online by watching advertisements, and we'll go over numerous ways to do it. It seems like you can make money doing nearly anything these days. Therefore, this is it if you're seeking for a less complicated approach to make money. Additional money because it won't be much money. Have fun, discover new websites, and so forth. This strategy might be perfect for you. We'll look at 4 distinct websites where watching advertisements could earn you money. In order to learn more about this brand new approach, kindly keep an eye out. But before we get started, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll show you some brand new ways to make money online in 2022. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. To be notified every time a new profitable video from our channel is released, click the notification bell button. Share this with your friends and family as well, so that you and everyone else is aware of this excellent money-making technique. Simply leave a comment below if you have any queries, worries, or thoughts regarding the video. We look forward to reading them. Let's start with the first website we'll look at in this video today, which will pay you to click around and visit various websites. You'll see a paid options while you're on the page, and this website does allows you to pay for further advertisements if you choose to do so. Therefore, I feel forced to make this point clear. Although clicking an advertisement is completely free, I do not recommend it. There is a difference in the number of commercials you can click on each day, so if you have the gold membership, as I like to call it, you could click on a lot more ads and make a lot more money. I don't think it's wise to spend cash on websites in the goal of discovering additional ads. As an alternative, click on more adverts and reinvest your earnings right away. That strikes me as sensible. Because of this, the initial website operates in this way and is available to everyone. They pay in a variety of ways, but once we get there, we'll look into it. The website I'm currently browsing on my computer screen is called AdVivo.com. This is how the website's homepage appears when you first access it. The first thing you'll notice when you go on a page like this is the statement. It's a unique platform for earning and advertising, which suggests that visitors are likely there to advertise. They employ people to monitor their numerous websites in order to boost their SEO, search engine optimization. The more visitors a website receives, the more Google recognizes it as a reliable website and starts to assist and promote it as it expands. That's exactly what you'll be doing in this situation. They provide a really simple sign-up process. Once you're on the homepage, click Sign Up. You'll be taken to a registration form where you must enter your name, email address, password, and password again before you can see the different payouts or payment options. There is no PayPal here since they have Perfect Money and Payer instead. To conclude, you can also use Litecoin or Bitcoin. Click I am not a robot and agree to the attempts and terms after filling out all of the fields. You may now finish the sign-up process for the website by returning to the email address you provided when you first registered and confirming your account. Although I haven't found any reviews claiming that this isn't a reputable site, you should be aware that it pays very little. However, since I'm in my dashboard right now and can see all the statistics about how much money I've made, how much money I'm making now, and so on, the task that you're required to complete here is really simple. As you can see, I already have 15 sponsored advertisements, YouTube videos that I may click to earn points, and my balance is $0.1162. The acronym for their point system is BAP. 1 BAP is equivalent to $0.0005 after you click to convert it to dollars. You should visit the website to find out more about it and to make your decision on whether to sign up and make money by watching commercials. The second website may be accessed from anywhere in the world and provides a variety of payment options, including PayPal. So Starclix.com is the website I'm currently visiting. You'll see that there are several tabs when you go to the homepage. Publishers and marketers each have their own tab. If you want to use this platform to see advertisements and earn money, go to the homepage and click on Publishers. I'll show you where you can find more information if you scroll down a little. As you can see, they make the assertion that internet entrepreneurs and publishers can replace ads and start receiving payments right now. You get paid as soon as you make money, which is another amazing feature of this business. As demonstrated below, in addition to PayPal and bank transfers, there are other ways to pay someone. Just click here to start to get started. Click on Publisher Sign Up to start the sign-up process after that. It will be similar to the one we just finished. You must fill out every field requiring personal data, including your name, birth date, and mailing address. They want all of that data, as well as your email address and security questions, among other things, before you can begin working. However, now that I'm a member here, I think it'll be useful. I'll sign on to the website so you can see everything it has to offer. I'm currently on my account's dashboard, and as you can see, I've worked on the left side. The several advertisements that are available for you to click on are displayed to you when you click on PPC advertising. As you can see, I have a lot of potential click-throughs, and on my page, leaking ads is how you make money. The following website will compensate you in digital currency, and it also has a digital currency token that you may exchange for other digital currencies. This plugin needs to be downloaded and installed on your computer. When an advertisement appears on your screen, all you have to do to earn points is click on it. The website's domain name is Permissionio. As you can see, they consider your most valuable asset to be data, and I couldn't agree more. You should stop it right away, and this website will pay you to start clicking ads and making money. As previously mentioned, you must sign up for the platform and complete your profile with my approval before you can choose to receive content from your favorite businesses, watch daily videos, browse the web, and end the process while seeing personalized ads. So, regarding the website security and other information, I advise that you do some research to determine if this is something you'd want to do. If you're okay with that, you can register for this website. However, it appears that they're gathering information as you browse and using it to serve you relevant ads. They have a really lengthy registration process, so I think I should note that. They will request your ID or other forms of identification, like your driver's license, in order to validate your identity on their website. This is being done to safeguard your security on the website, to confirm that you are following instruction correctly, and to stop your account from being hacked. Check out this platform and the company behind it before we move on to the fourth or the final one, because I believe that there is some fascinating information there right now before we sign up for it, since they'll need it. The last one, which isn't entirely new, is up next. It's one of the platforms where you make money by clicking on advertisements, and it also has an earning app for Android and iOS. This software's main purpose is to enable you to make money while enjoying music. There are several radio stations inside the platform where you can listen to music all day and earn money. However, they do have a button you can click on to view 30 seconds commercial. They do have a button that you can click to view 30-second commercials. Yes, you can earn credits on our platform that you can later exchange for cash using the PayPal and cryptocurrency alternatives. The conversation is over now. That's it for now. I hope this video was able to teach you something and that I was able to show you a different way to make money online. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you enjoyed this video. You may be notified when we upload new videos by pressing the notification bell button. Watch for our upcoming video, and I'll see you there.